Look at her. Seeds for the rosemary, seeds for the garden, but not a single second for the greatest bird in the jungle.
Wait, did you just talk to me?
Yep, I was just wondering, Luna, why are we putting these plants in the ground?
My friend, we are planting these so that you can finally get married.
Married? Me, is it true?
Think about it, Parrot. If there are no beautiful flowers, what will you give your bride? If there are no tall trees, where will you build your royal nest?
Luna, I will plant too.
I'm starting a farm today! Hello? Grow? Is this thing broken? Work faster!
Bring out! Extra air, breathe! I can feel the berry tension rising! Grow! Now!
Maybe it's just shy.
Things are perfect when time. So, shouting doesn't help? Not everything grows on command.
Take your time, boss.
Luna! Look! So what about my wedding?
Oh, you just can't wait, can you? You've built the palace, now just wait for the queen to fly by.
That's not fair, Luna.
Catch me if you can.